In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitly account. Bitly is a popular tool for shortening long links and tracking how many people click on them. It's great for social media, emails, and anywhere you want cleaner, more professional looking URLs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from opening the website all the way to finishing the onboarding questions, so by the end you'll be ready to start shortening links right away. First, open your web browser and go to bitly.com. This is the Bitly landing page, where you can learn about the product and access login and sign up options. In the top right corner of the page, look for the button that says Sign Up Free and click it. This will take you to the area where you can choose how you want to get started. You'll be taken to a pricing or plans page. Here, Bitly shows different plan options, but don't worry, we're setting up a free account. Look for a button that says Get Started and click it. This will move you into the actual sign-up form. On the sign-up page, you'll be asked for your email address. Type in an email that you have access to and that you're comfortable using for this account. This is important because Bitly may send confirmations or account-related notifications there. Next, create a password. Choose something secure and unique, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using simple or reused passwords to keep your account safe. Once you've filled in both your email and password, click on the button that says Create Free Account. Bitly will process your information and then move you into a short onboarding flow. You'll see a field that says something like, "What should we call you?" Type in the name or nickname you want Bitly to use for your account. This is mostly for personalization inside the dashboard. Below that, you'll be asked how you plan to use Bitly. Click on the option that best matches your situation, whether it's personal use, marketing, business, or something else that appears. This just helps Bitly tailor the experience a bit. After you've made your selection, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked, what does your company do? There's a drop-down labeled Select an Industry. Click it, then choose the industry that's closest to what you do. If you're not sure, just pick the one that feels most accurate. Click Continue again to move on. Finally, Bitly will ask where you'd like to start. For this tutorial, choose I'll jump in on my own. This will finish the onboarding and take you straight into your Bitly dashboard, where you can begin creating and managing your shortened links.